How to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search button at the top right corner of your screen on Settings and search Apps. Then click on Apps and Notifications. In here, click on WhatsApp. Then go to Permission, which is below Notification and above Storage and Cache. Go to Contacts and make sure you have allowed contacts access, as the dot should be in Allow. And this is how to fix WhatsApp contact not showing on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.